How to fix camera not working in Microsoft Teams. Having trouble with your camera in Microsoft Teams meetings on your iPhone? A non-working camera can hinder visual communication. Let's get your camera up and running again. First, ensure that your video is not turned off within the Microsoft Teams meeting. Tap the camera icon on your meeting controls. If it has a line through it, a red one, then tap it to turn your camera on. On your iPhone settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, then find Camera, which is right here. Find Teams in the list and ensure that the toggle next to it is turned on, just like this, granting Teams permission to access your camera. Test your camera with another app, like the native camera app, to ensure it's not a hardware issue. If it works there, force close and reopen Teams, just like this. If the problem continues, restart your entire iPhone. This often resolves camera glitches. You're back to being seen in Microsoft Teams meetings. Ensure smooth visual communication. Like and subscribe for Microsoft Teams troubleshooting tips.